In my hands, I'm holding the brand new ROG Xbox X20 Bundle. The literal product description has bundle inside of it because when you're buying it, you're buying both. You can't buy them separately. So that apart, what's the main upgrades we're getting? We're finally getting an OLED display. The bezel is also much smaller, 60% smaller to be exact. Their transforming D-pad also allows you to pick it up and pivot it. And as you pivot it, have a look at this, the little 8 points that you get to put your fingers on, it can go lower. That's really actually useful. It also now comes with TMR joysticks, meaning it has a 3% dead zone. Even the slightest little movement, it'll pick up. Some other changes you'll see is the rounded edges, a rubber grip, and actually they had to design the face button so if you press it, it goes flat with the design. Because on the edge, if it rounds, it'll always hook on the one of the buttons, and they actually addressed that. Smart move. Moving over to the back, they told me that the airflow design also changed. There's an extra, call it a hole, for the CPU cooling to be more efficient. Over here, we now have MicroSD Express support. That's the same speed as your NVMe's. We also have USB 3 and Thunderbolt 4. Speaker-wise, I mean, you can't hear much. It's a very loud room at the moment, but based on the previous one, yeah, it's still the same. Not bad. Design-wise, this is something completely new. We haven't seen it look like this, and I really like it. But this isn't all of the experience. You're also getting... Where are my glasses? Now for the ROG XREAL R1s. This is exactly the same as we had last year. It's just the new ROG 20th Edition branding that we have on it. Nice gold accents, the lights, it's pretty. We have to buy it with the Xbox Ally though. On the other hand, it's a pretty good experience. It's like having a cinema in your room. This is spectacular. I know you get good video of this, but it's the feeling it's giving.
Look like a huge
Dude, I don't care if I look like a dork. It feels like I'm in an IMAX cinema. It's insane. Imagine just chilling backwards on your 20th edition chair. It's gorgeous. And playing. Just chilling, head back, having the best time. The audio on this is incredible. I mean, I can see why they're saying this should be in your house. Just buy it with the Xbox Ally. It's worth it, I guess. Okay, fine, they convinced me. I'll get it. Oh, this was Stefan from Computex reviewing all of the things at Computex, having the best time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye. This is mine now. Taking it home with me. Thanks. Just taking this. No, but I like it. Good acting, great acting. Yes, let's go, YouTube. Subscribe for more.